Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, I don't normally do unboxings anymore, but every month I still get a Boxycharm. And I got an email a while back about a new box that they're doing called Boxy Luxe. This is it. It's huge. It's massive. So if you want to learn about Boxy Luxe, then just keep watching. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So if you want to see everything that's in this box, just keep watching. Alright guys, I kind of scooted the camera back a little bit because this is so big and so heavy. It's huge. A normal Boxycharm, I wish I had one of my old boxes, is like half one. Well, probably even smaller than that. So this is massive. So the way this works is you still pay your $21 a month to get your normal Boxycharm. But every quarter, so every 3 months, they're going to charge you an extra $28.99. So it brings the total to $49.99. And that month you get the Boxy Luxe. Now, I have not watched anybody's videos on this. The only thing I did watch was Kathleen Lights did her regular Boxycharm. She made no mention of the Boxy Luxe. I just wanted to get an idea of what kind of products were coming in that box to see if any of those were in this one. And her and I seem to be getting the exact same products all the time, so that's why I chose to watch her video. So, again, this is huge, and I haven't opened it. We're going to do that together. So let's do that right now. This one is so big, it's got to have 2 stickers on it to seal it up. And it has one of those stickers on it. Let me show you that before I cover my address here. It says that there's like batteries inside. Something with batteries in it. Okay, so we start off. Just the normal Hello Charmer in there. Oops, it's all falling out. So I'm not going to be able to just hold this up and show it to you, so I'll just have to take things out one at a time. So the first thing we get is a card that says, "'Tis the Sun, S-E-A-S-U-N, Boxy Luxe." And on the back it talks about what you get in there, the value of it, and then you get some discount codes for things down here at the bottom. Okay, the first thing I see is a product that I already have and I do enjoy. It's the Pretty Vulgar. This is the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. This is a full-size product. If you guys haven't tried this before, it's awesome. It comes with this cute little pink sponge, and these actually work really, really well. I'm going to give this to somebody since I have one already, but that's okay. And by the way, I'm going to go ahead and look and tell you the price of these. This retails for $32. By the way, the value of this box is supposed to be over $340. All right, next thing I see is, okay, kind of weird. It says Glam AF. It's obviously a bag of some sort, but it's weighted down and there's something in here at this end. So let's open it up. So it's a zippered clutch. It's blank on one side. Open it up. And it has inside what this is. It says Crimes of Beauty. Oh, it's a charger. So that's kind of nice. So, okay guys, I was finally able to figure out this charger, so I wanted to share that with you. So I don't have a lot of room with my cord here, but you plug it in to charge. When it's charging, you'll see a flashing red light on there. Let's see if it's showing up. I don't know if it turns green or anything when it's done, but then what you do after it is charged up is you pop this open. If you have an iPhone, then this is the one that you want to use. If you have an Android device, what you want to do is plug this in at the top. Right there, you'll see there's a little port. And simply plug that in and then pull it out. And now you've got your Android plug in there. And this one right there is where you would plug in your USB device. So that's how easy this is to work. And you just simply put the Android charger part back in the adapter and close this back up again. Throw it in your purse, you're good to go. And I like how slim this one is too, so that's pretty cool. The next thing I see says Spongele Blossom Bliss Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. So this is an all-in-one beauty treatment, benefits the body wash buffer, dermatologically tested. It's got formulated with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. I don't know what that is. To moisturize, soften, and cleanse. Let's take a look at this. Oh, by the way, that bag with the charger, it's called a wristlet and a portable charger, and that retails for $22. This sounds really good. So it's shaped like a little star. It's wrapped in plastic right now. I can still smell it through this, and it does smell really yummy. It smells like something I'd want to eat, unfortunately, but it's really sweet. So if you don't like sweet scents, you may not like this, but I will definitely give that a try. All right, this next one is staring right at me, and I'm so tickled about this one. You guys, let me take it out of the wrapper before I show you. This is awesome. Ready? It is a whole box full of Luxie brushes. Let me get my ring light glare off of there. So this is their rose gold. It is the complete face set. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes in this set. You get the round top blender, the tapered highlighter, the Pro Precision tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. So all of those are included in here, and the retail price on this set is $65. You know I love Luxie brushes. I use them all the time. I think I have all of these, but I will put them to use. Trust me, I will definitely be using these. Now there's a piece of black film I need to move out of the way. And we have what looks like an eyeshadow palette. And you know what? Now that it hit me, I'm pretty sure Kathleen got this in her Boxycharm this month. Pretty sure. I think she got this palette as well. And they sent out an email asking which 2 products you wanted to choose to have in there. So I picked this. The other one they offered, I think, was a little mini flat iron, and I have so many of those, I really didn't need another. This has a very unique feel to the packaging. It's not plastic, it's not cardboard, it's almost like rubberized. So let's take a look at this. This is my protege. It's called the Suva Beauty. And these, you get a nice mirror inside. And these are your shades that you get. They're all named. Let's swatch a few of these. Ooh, that one's kind of rough and powdery. I'm just going to swatch a few because I'm a white shirt. I don't want to get it all over. So there's a few of those shades. That burgundy shade was really gritty and powdery, so I don't know how that's going to feel going on the eyes. And let's look at the price for this one. This one is $34. So definitely be putting that to use as well. Alright, now I can get rid of this thing. So, what? Violet Voss Pro Palette. Oh my goodness. I would have never dreamed of getting this. And I have this already. Open this up so we take a peek-see at it. This is probably going to get gifted to somebody because, again, I have this already. And this retails for $45. That's almost the cost of the box alone. Alright, this is fabulous, you guys. It's just, oh, so good. Alright, these are the shades that are inside that. I'm not going to swatch it. I know I've done a look with this before, so go search through my videos. Look for this one. Oh, just beautiful. Oh, here's another one of my favorites, and I needed this. So this is the Grande Mascara by KarenReneBeauty. I love this mascara. It's so good. This is what the wand looks like on that. And this is just one of those mascaras that lengthens and thickens and doesn't get clumpy or clumpy. It doesn't get spidery. It doesn't get all over your face. So this is just a really good foundation. This retails for $25. Alright, looks like I've got two more items in here. And this is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. I've never had one of their shimmering ones. I have their regular lip paints, and I absolutely love those. Ooh! You can see it's got little speckles of pinkish and gold in there. So let's put some of that on. What do you think? I really like that. All right, that's the last item in the box. Move the box out of the way now. Okay, so this is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is anti-wrinkle day cream for fine lines and wrinkles. It firms, smooths, and hydrates. 1 fluid ounce in here. This is what the jar looks like. So this, let's see if it has a scent. Yeah, it's got like that sea scent to it. It's clean though. It's very clean and refreshing. It's just a white cream. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. Goes in and blends in really quickly to my skin. Doesn't leave it feeling oily or anything. Can't really see much of anything, but it blended in very nice. My skin feeling very, very soft. Everything on me is so dry right now, it's not even funny. Just have static electricity going on, my lips are dry, my skin's dry, everything is dry. So, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 full-size products in this box. That's awesome, because normally in Boxycharm you get 5. So I take a peek. My favorites, for sure, and Violet Voss, and probably, let's say the Grande Cosmetics mascara. So those are going to be my 3 favorites out of this box. That's just because I've used them and I know I already love them. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and subscribe to this box. At least try it out for 1 quarter. If you're not happy with it, you can cancel it and just go back to your regular Boxycharm. I do have a link down below if you're interested in subscribing to it. If you're already subscribed to Boxycharm, I think you can just contact them or see if they got an email. So I don't know if they only have like certain amounts that they do every quarter and they just open it up a little bit at a time. I've never even seen or heard of this before, so I don't even know if it's something new or something they've done for a while. I don't think it's something they've done for a while because I haven't seen anybody else do videos on it. So I'm excited. I'm going to keep using it, and I'm going to try all these products out. I'm excited about that. So thanks so much for watching. Again, I don't normally do unboxings, but this one was so huge and so cool. I just want to share it with you guys and give you the 411 on it. So thanks so much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you do that. Hit that bell notification right next to the subscribe. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. It's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And this is probably a special edition one because I want to make sure I get this out to you guys and let you know about it. And if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, feel free to leave those down below. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. So until next time, you guys, I love you all. And bye-bye.